Hello, welcome to Hal's Coffin, and thanks for tuning in. There's a few things that I'd like to go over with you before we start. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the content that you're about to experience is purely fictional. While it may contain themes of violence, monsters, even non-consent, please remember that this is a fantasy. I want to make it explicitly clear that I do not endorse any of the behaviors portrayed in these audio experiences. The characters I portray are often the worst of humanity, performing morally reprehensible acts. However, as an actor, I'm merely inhabiting these roles to provide you with an immersive experience. My intention in creating this content is to offer a safe space for individuals to explore their fantasies without putting themselves or others in harm's way. It's important to differentiate between fantasy and reality, and I trust you as a listener to understand the distinction. So, I hope you enjoy the audio. Thank you very much.
Hey, cutie. You want the usual this time? You know, I bet you don't tell anyone you use these, do you? Don't worry. I'll always be here to help you out when you need them. Here it is. A full month of pills for my best girl. You've been buying from me for 1.5 years now. I consider you a loyal customer. Are you trying to play around or something? You're $10 short.
What the fuck? You think you can fuck around with me, bitch? I came in here in a good mood with a huge bottle of this shit for you. You know how much it costs? What did you drink that made you lose your fucking brain? You think just because you've known me for a while now, you can try and pull some shit over me like this? You're just the same as all the rest of those other fucking whores.
Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I lost my temper. I'm sorry for losing my temper. I've had a lot of people try and fuck me over a lot of fucking times. But I can't just let you go. I have people to pay too. I almost got violent there. You know I wouldn't hurt you though. You're young, you know. Now that I look at you, you do have some nice tits. Actually, you're pretty sexy. I have an idea. I could let it slide this time if you did something else for me. What's that deer in the headlights look you're giving me? I'm serious. What? Are you gonna beg me to take you to an ATM? I don't want to go through all that trouble for fucking $10. I'm a nice guy. I'm willing to let you get away without paying me what you're short. You just have to give something else to me. I think that's a pretty fucking fair trade, don't you? Besides, I'm already getting hard.